are the Trane central air conditioners at the house next door. They're XB10s from November of 04. I'll make it very clear. This one is a 5-ton and that one is a 3-ton. And these do use R22 refrigerant. And in another video that I filmed, I said that these had Copeland reciprocating compressor, but marked that wrong. They actually have climate top. See if I can get a good view of them. This one. Don't know how well you can see it, but they're climate tough, not coated. Right, let's go take a look at our units. It is warm right now. It's probably like 75 to 80 degrees. Okay. Goodman's. Filmed those before. Not running, unfortunately. And the other Goodmans. These don't seem to be running either. This one is the one that had the compressor replaced. Try to get a good view of it. Yeah, that's a brand new compressor. And this one didn't really have any major work done to it. Although this one is a heat pump, and it was labeled essential air conditioner, but I corrected that, as you can see. And this one is a straight cool unit, but it's labeled a heat pump, but I'm not sure if I should correct it because it has a heat pump thermostat that operates it. And there's the filter dryer. That one's new as well. There's a Copeland scroll compressor. I'll let you read the data off of this. And this one. That one's a 2-ton, this one is a 3-ton. You obviously know what year it's from unless you didn't watch the previous videos. Yeah. That's pretty much it for these units. Alright, let's get back to the Trane XB10s, shall we? There's the other section of the Goodmans once again. Yeah, I'll take a quick look at these. Copeland reciprocating. This one has the same thing. And pretty much the same thing. Let's see if these bad boys over here are still running. Yep. Alright. Yeah, it's nice and sweaty. And these are both straight cool units. For some reason I see that exhaust pipe right there running when these things are in heat mode. Don't know what's up with that. Where's the gas meter? Off, but I don't really think that's a big deal. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.